my kitchen. Today I have got a very easy recipe for you. It's delicious and I know you're going to enjoy it. We're going to be making avocado toast with a perfectly poached egg. That's right, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a perfectly poached egg. This is game changer. You think that it's hard to poach an egg, it isn't. Follow these simple directions and it'll come out perfect each and every time. Also, this recipe is great for like breakfast or lunch or dinner. I'm actually going to be making it for dinner tonight, so we're going to be adding some roast beef and a nice side salad. Here's what you're going to need if you want to make this recipe. Now, to poach your egg, make sure that it's room temperature. If it isn't room temperature, what you want to do is take it right out of the refrigerator and then just plop it into a warm glass of water. Leave it there for just a few minutes and the warm water will bring your egg up to room temperature and you'll be ready to poach.
Alright guys, now let's get cooking. You're going to take your slice of whole wheat bread and you're going to toast it on both sides. Now in a saucepan, bring your water up to a simmer and add your distilled vinegar. This is going to help the egg hold itself together. Using one of your kitchen utensils, go ahead and swirl the water around so that you get a little whirlpool action going. Then you're going to drop your egg right into the center. Let the egg cook for 1 whole minute and then cover your pot and set aside for 5 minutes. Do not open the lid, just let it sit for 5 minutes and you will have a perfectly poached egg. Take your sliced garlic clove and rub it on your toast. Now go ahead and slice up your tomato and set it aside. If you've seen our guacamole episode, you know how to slice up an avocado. Just simply go around the avocado itself till you touch the pit and then twist and open your avocado up. Using your knife, you want to strike your avocado pit, twist it, and remove it. Slide your thumb between the skin of the avocado and the avocado flesh in order to separate it. Go ahead and slice up your avocado. Now let's go ahead and start plating up our dish. You're going to place the toast down and then put the roast beef on top of your garlic toast. Next up is your sliced tomato. And of course, add your creamy avocado. Now you're going to place your poached egg on top of your avocado, and you're going to salt and pepper it to taste. I like to serve it alongside a side salad that I have dressed with a ginger Dijon vinaigrette.
Now all we have to do is sprinkle a little bit of chives over our plate, and we are ready to serve. Now let's go ahead and cut right through it. See? Look at that, perfect yolk, nice and runny. I hate when I order Eggs Benedict out and they bring back something that's really kind of, you know, hard and not edible really. That is delicious. Look at that. Nice. Well, there you have it. It is a perfectly poached egg over avocado, tomato, and roast beef. Really, really delicious meal. Very healthy and really easy to make and really quick. So on one of those nights where you're running late or you know you've had a really hard day at work, this is a meal that you can put together and be done in record time. So I hope that you're going to try this recipe. If you do, please leave a comment. Tell me how you like it. Change it up. You could do anything with this. You could take out the roast beef and add a crab cake, for instance, or just take out the roast beef and the crab cake all together and just have avocado toast with a poached egg. It's really, really delicious. I'm Albert. This is Albert's Easy Gourmet Kitchen. Please be sure to subscribe. Please leave a comment and turn on those post notifications so that you can keep on top of all of the recipes that we do on this channel. Remember, please visit albertseasygourmetkitchen.com and you can download all of our recipes. Have a great day. Remember to eat healthy and live healthy. We're going to be making avocado toast with a Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have got a very easy recipe for you to follow. We've got not let me finish the word because I don't cuss on my channel. Just know that I'm thinking it. Anyway. Really good. Okay. Hey guys. Wait. Okay, here we go. Vaya vamos. Okay.